What is up, 11 Series Bass family? It's your boy Cruz right here with 11 Series Bass Fishing. Yeah, I know. I hear it. I see it. It's been a little while since I put out a video. I apologize. To be honest, I have been out there fishing. I've caught a couple fish. January was a rough month. There was a couple times I went out there and caught some fish, but not enough to where I felt like it would make a good video. I think there is one time I went out there and caught like 3, and I'm gonna work on that video. I just haven't sat at the computer and did it. But I'm hoping that the fishing here coming in February, March will be a lot better. January was, like I said, a little rough. So today, I went out yesterday and didn't catch anything. I think it was just the lures I picked after a cold front, and they just were not biting, guys. It just wasn't good. So we're gonna switch it up and we're gonna go a little bit shallower. Is that how you would say that? A little less deep, I guess. Okay. So we're gonna fish a couple of these 6 cents baits that I got on sale that I have yet to fish, and we're gonna get out here and see if we can't get the fish to bite some of these meat. Tighten my GoPro a little bit. A little loose. So we got 3 different ones, and 2 of them dive the same, 1 of them does not. This is the Movement 80 Wake, and we have that in that backwater bluegill. So this one goes 0 to 1 foot deep. So we're going little wake bait there. And then we have the Movement 80X. All right, this is that crawl fire. This goes to that 1 to 3 feet deep. And then this is the Movement 80X threadfin shad. And we're just gonna go 1 rod, and we're just gonna go cover some water. We're gonna start off with the this one. We're gonna tie this one on first and get out there and see if we can't catch something. And we're just gonna get out there and move and cover some water. I got a couple different spots I want to hit up and see if we can't catch us some fish today, guys. At least get a video that would be good enough. I know you got something to put in the mouth, probably pretty freaking nasty. At least good enough for a video, because it's been rough lately, guys. The fishing has been really rough. Hopefully we can get that turned around a little bit and catch us some fish. Like I said, we got a couple different colors, see what we can go out here and get. We got some other things in our bag. I don't think we're gonna carry around more than 1 rod though, because I just want to fish and move. I want to get out here and cover as many different spots and as much water as we possibly can. So I appreciate you guys' love and support. Thank you very much for everybody who sticks around and watches my videos and leave comments. I appreciate it. Yeah, I'm not gonna ask you to subscribe. I'm not gonna ask you to like my video. I'm not gonna ask you to hit the thumbs up. I think that's ridiculous. You either want to or you don't want to. Me asking is not gonna change your opinion on whether or not you want to. So yeah, I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys on the water. Peace. And the wind got me, guys, with the backlash. Nice one right there. God damn it. Of course, the first cast, I get a backlash. You gotta be freaking kidding me. Guys, I do not believe that lure just flew off my rod. I mean, I guess I should have retied it. I mean, at the end of the day, the retie is kind of my fault. I should have retied it a long time ago, but I didn't. So now, the good thing is the wind is blowing towards me. So now I guess gotta kind of hang around until that lure floats back towards me, so I can get it. I might go out there and try to catch it with this lure. I might see if I can pull it in, make it a little bit faster. Golly, man, I'm just not having any luck as far as lures go, fishing, rods, everything's freaking falling apart, man. I broke 2 rods in the month of January. I've lost probably 3 lures in the last week. A bunch of lures, good lures, 6 cents stuff, stuff that isn't cheap. So just has not been a good time for fishing. Alright, let's go try this again. We're gonna take our backpack with us because we have to. I'm gonna try this shit again. There it is. All right, so now we're gonna try to do. We're gonna fish for our lure here real quick. See if we can't. There we go. We caught it. Can't believe it. Flew right off. Yeah. You can see the line just broke. That sucks. But the good thing is we were able to catch it and we got it back. Let's put that in our backpack. Oh, looks like we're about to move on to our next spot, guys, because spot number, whoa, that was a big freaking snake. Whoa, I'm glad I walked up there first. Woo. Hot weather bringing the snakes out. That was a big snake, guys. Oh, wow. So when I walked over here, I went past those trees first. I didn't even come near the water. And that's one of the reasons why. Because that was a big freaking snake, dude. That snake was freaking huge. Up here baking in the sun. Golly. That was a big snake, man. All right, next spot. There we go. Finally. Finally got one. Come up and take it. He's not a big one, a little guy, but finally got one to come up and hit it. There we go. He's about as big as the lure. All right, one last little look. Let's get him back in. Get out of here, dude. All right, it's what, our 1, 2, 3rd, 5th spot, 4, 5, close. This spot's iffy sometimes. I mean, I've caught a couple here, and I've come in here and not caught anything. So, I mean, this spot can be either or. We'll see. This water right here is definitely not as clean. A little dirtier, which is no big deal. We got a nice bright lure tied on. There we go. Look at that. Oh, he's better. He's definitely better. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh yeah, he's a whole lot fatter. Don't you? He's feisty. There we go. He's a chunker. He's been feeding really good. Give me 1 second, baby. Here you go, guys. See, no, go ahead. One last look. Here we go before I get her back in. She big and fat. Look at that big girl right there. Let's get her back in the water. All right, there we go. There's bass number 2. All right, guys. Well, I just caught another one, and pretty much what happened was he missed it the first time and then came back and swiped at it again. He's another good solid pounder right here. I mean, he's not bad. He's at least close to 2. So I think we found him. I don't even have my backpack. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Another good solid bass. I think we found the color they want. All right, let's get one more look, guys. Not too bad. Not too bad of a bass. We just got to make sure we're recording. I thought I hit record even though I was on the phone with my wife. I guess I didn't hit record. Ah, man, 2 bass in the same location. Took me a couple times to get him. He hit it the first time and missed it, and then I got him the second time I threw in there. So that was 2 right there. Let's see if there's another one in there. All right, guys, we're gonna change out the colors here, just so we can say we caught one with each one. I mean, this might be a decent video. We're gonna go ahead and add this thread fin shad to it. If we don't catch anything and it's getting kind of rough, then we'll go ahead and just switch it back to this one, because obviously this crawl one was freaking doing it, man. Where's the damn sheriff at? All right, guys, we are at last spot of the day. Excuse me, guys. I see some action in the water already, so that is good. Oh, he was shallow. Oh, stay down, stay down. It's a good bass, guys. It is a good bass, good bass. There we go. Oh yes, best bass of the day. Yes. All right, you better not jump. Yes. Check it out, guys. Plastic and all. Look at that. There we go. Threadfin shad came in clutch. Look at that. Probably the biggest bass of the day. All right, there we go. Not worth the scale. He's definitely over 2 pounds. So everything I've caught today has been over 2 pounds. Let's get her back on the water. All right, well, let's get back out here, guys. We're gonna stay with this threadfin shad. Why not? We changed colors, but caught 2 on both cut. Well, we caught 1 with this color, 1 with the other color. Let's see if we can't catch 1 more with this, and then we'll change over to the wake bait. These fish are definitely active right now. I see a lot of movement in the water, so that is good. As we threw the wake bait back on. We caught that little guy with it, but let's see. I'm thinking that these bass are shallow right now, especially in this pond, and I think this wake bait might be exactly what we need to get them bass to bite. That one I liked, threadfin shad, caught us 1, which is good. There we go. Oh, shit. Oh, guys, that was a big freaking bass. Golly. Guys, that was a monster. Oh. That was a big bass, guys. Oh my God. I don't believe we just freaking missed that bass. Shit. A big bass. There we go. He came back for it. Oh. Oh, stay out. Stay down, stay down, stay down. There we go. He wasn't as big as I thought he was, but he's still big. Yes. Look at that. Got another one, guys. Yes. I knew the wake bait would get him. There we go. Another solid bass, man. He is he's feeding too. Man, these bass are up there feeding. Look at that fatty. All right, dude. Get out of here. All right, let's get back in there. I think there might be a couple more up there. Scared that one away. God, this fucking button, man. I had to get that. I had to go home and look at this shit because it's driving me crazy, man. Oh my God. Well, whatever fish that was, it's got a damn got a lure stuck in his freaking mouth. Whatever I hit down there was freaking huge. I mean, it snapped my line. I threw this back over there. I didn't hit it again, so it definitely was nothing in the water. It was a fish. It wasn't a... Oh, there he is. There he is. Oh, oh shit. Oh, guys, look. I may be getting my lure back. I did. No freaking way. No freaking way. I just caught my lure back. No way. He was still on it. Woo! I can't believe it. He broke me off and then I ended up catching him. I don't believe it. Oh, look at that. I got it back. I don't freaking believe that. Yes. I mean, he wasn't a freaking monster. Oh my God. I can't believe that just happened. Let me pause the camera, guys. I gotta get him unhooked. I can't believe that. I cannot believe that I just caught this fish after he snapped me off. Look at that. I can't believe it. All right, one last look at the fish that broke me off, and I ended up catching him again. Get out of here, dude. Yes. There we go. Oh, I missed him. He came back. God dang it. I wasn't paying attention. missed it. Oh, shit. Fuck. That was a big fish too, guys. Oh, man. Probably the best day of fishing I've had in a while. At least I got a video to put out. Oh, I missed another one. Two misses in a row. There we go. Oh, that's a good sized bass. I don't know if you guys can see it. Nope, it's not a bass. It's a freaking catfish that I hooked in the back. You guys can see, there's a catfish I hooked in the back. Come on, dude, stop flopping around. There we go. Well, caught a catfish. Not because that's what I was going after, but what is up, 11 Series Bass Fam? It's your boy Cruz, and that's it. That's the end of my February video, and I have to say, guys, it turned out to be a great one, a great day of fishing. Not only because I caught some fish, but because I end up losing 2 baits fishing, and then I end up recovering each one of those lures. I can't even explain it. Okay, so to start off, we were fishing the, I believe this is the Crawl Fire. This is a Movement 80X, so it's 0 to 3 feet. And I end up breaking this off, went flying out to the middle of the lake. The good thing is the wind was pushing towards the bank that I was at, so I had to wait a couple minutes, and eventually this got close enough and I was able to catch it. And then I was able to catch a couple fish with that one. What a plus. Next, I move on to the, this one is the 80 Wake. This is the backwater bluegill. I end up catching one fish, a little fish with this one. And then I switched over to, no, I actually ended up catching one fish. And then I end up catching a couple more. I can't remember. I end up catching a couple on each one. This is the, what color is this one? This one is the threadfin shad. This is the Movement 80. So this was the only one that was a wake bait. So let's get to the wake bait. You can see from the video that I hooked a fish and I broke off. I mean, snapped the line. I ended up tying this one back on, fished that same spot for, I don't know, 5-6 minutes, maybe at the most, maybe less than that. And I hook some line. And as I'm reeling that line in, I see a fish pop up out of the water. And I was like, no way that it is this lure right here. So as you can see in the video, I'm pulling that line out by hand with the fish still hooked to this bait. I can't make it up, guys. First time for me ever catching a fish that I broke off on, and I end up getting the lure back. Can't make that stuff up, guys. So yeah, good video today. Really wasn't reviewing nothing. I think I did a video on both of those baits already. 6 cents bait, guys. If you have shallow ponds where you're fishing and all your other crankbaits are getting down there a little too deep and you don't want to fish these wake baits, these movement 80s are perfect. These things catch fish. So like I said, I'm not sponsored by 6 cents. I pay for all my baits. So yeah, go pick you up some of those movement 80 wakes and some of those movement 80 X's. These things are amazing. So a couple of them. This one has a the threadfin shad has a 1 knocker. As you can hear, that one's got that loud thud to it. And then the fire crawl has multiple different have multiple different BBs in them or knockers in it. So this one's more, it got way more of a rattle. Let's see, the wake 80 wake is a silent bait. There ain't nothing in that. Those fish were just hitting this off of the vibrations. I have plenty of these, guys. I love fishing these. These ones are some of my favorites to fish, which I believe this is another wake 80. It's the chartreuse black back, and then I have an all white one. So these are some of my the wake 80s are some of my favorite baits to fish, just because they just flat out, they catch fish, guys. There's no other way to explain it. And then as far as the 80s, I have the threadfin shad. I got, let's see. Yeah, I already have a threadfin shad inside my arsenal. I can't remember what this one is. This one's got a little bit different of a color to it. And then of course I got like that chartreuse green black back one. So that threadfin shad, I got a couple of those. So I'm gonna throw that back in the box because I'm not going to put it in here. I'm just gonna save it for another time. I'm gonna have to start updating my I'm gonna have to start getting a little bit bigger of a tackle box here, guys. My 6 cents stuff is getting pretty full. That's definitely a different color. Okay, well, I appreciate it, guys. Thank you for tuning in my videos. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your likes and your comments. I appreciate it. And yeah, if there's anything out there that you guys want me to purchase and fish, put in the comments down below. I got no problem buying some stuff and giving it a shot for you guys. So I appreciate it. And thanks. I'll see you on the water. Peace.